Hey guys, welcome back. So I came back to revisit a project that we saw, what was it, 11, 12 months ago roughly?
Something like that, yeah.
Anyways, a 66 Chevelle build. Randy is building this for his good buddy Gord. Hey Gord.
Hey, good to meet you, Gary.
Good to meet you. You're the owner of the car. Randy's, well, the builder. And this is the 66 Chevelle. This has come a long way. So we saw this roughly a year ago. And I know this is, it's got a lot of late model Wizzy tech in it. It has an LS in it, but last time we saw this, the LS was just sitting in there. And the fenders were just kind of sitting in there. Randy had just finished a mini tub job on it. And man, you've come a long way. Tell us what's going on here now.
Well, geez, I'm trying to think where to start. Let's start at the back, because that's where we really the whole project started. So when I got the car, it had you know, a hole in the trunk, and it was like, okay, we got a hole in the trunk. I thought that was my biggest problem with the car, but anyway. So yeah, we got the big wheel tubs. We did the mini tub because there was a hole in the trunk, and thought, let's do something special here. Let's make it nice. So yeah, this is a lot of work went into this.
Yeah, I see you kind of rhino lined the floor, but you left the nice work in painted steel. I like that.
Oh yeah, we want to show them off. We did a lot of work there. Like you know, there's a couple bucks went into it, plus many man hours. Like people ask how many hours. We didn't keep track, just because well, maybe Randy did, but it's a big thing, right? And like, so we got some 335 3018s in there, and they fit in nice.
Yeah, and a pretty wheel on there too.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was the size of that tire?
335 3018.
Wow, that's a lot of rubber in there.
Yeah, and actually I'll do a shout out to Anthony at A1 Tire. He came and measured and made sure we had the right tire. So if you need a tire, go to A1. So that's my guy.
Wow, I got to show the underside of the car. There's a lot of work under here.
Yeah, and if you get a chance, since we're looking under, take a look at that exhaust. That thing's tucked up tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, had Randy here build the exhaust, and really, you couldn't get it much tighter, and he did a great job there.
It's all handmade.
It's all handmade.
Yeah,
we ordered the parts, and
the stainless steel,
Borla mufflers,
and coil-over shocks.
Coil-over shocks. Those are adjustable.
Viking dual adjustable coilovers.
Wow.
And then, so another thing, since we're still at the back of the car here, we cut the bumper, tucked it in. If you look at any other Chevelles, they come out a bit like that.
Yeah.
We tucked her in. We pushed it in. You know, the cars come with a gasket to fit in between here, but we got bumper there because we just want to do a couple special things here. So.
And I see the absence of bolts.
There's no bolts. We welded them in. Well, Randy did. Yeah.
Very, very clean. And that's going to be painted body color, and there's the body color right there. I don't know if this is going to pick up in the video, but it's a pretty, what do you call that color?
That's a oolong pearl gray. I think it's a 2011 Audi. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's a pretty color, and you don't see that often. That's going to be a neat color in the sun. Yeah,
we originally kind of thought of a gunmetal gray, but you Google Chevelles, everybody's got one. So
yeah, this is just a little different now. You've got a digital dash in there.
Yeah, we got the Dakota digital dash. We got the
auto sound, custom
auto sound USA 740. Yeah, Bluetooth radio. Yeah.
Power windows, power locks.
Power windows, power locks. We got the shift work shifter, so shift work cable. So we got right down to the L1, the low one, and tilt column.
Yeah, that's a pretty column.
I'll just turn this key on here for you, Gary.
Light it up for us.
Yeah, so light her up, and let's see.
Oh wow, that's pretty. So that's a fully gauged digital dash and a custom auto sound radio.
Yeah.
You guys can hear it playing there.
Yeah. Yeah, we put a couple of 3.5-inch speakers in the dash, built a bracket to hold them in there. And yeah. So we got the kick panel speakers too, but we got the wrong ones. They sent the wrong ones. We got to send them back, but that's just a ongoing thing that sometimes you deal with when building a car.
Well, show me the business end here.
Okay,
This is
so we got
what
the 2-inch cowl hood. It's my favorite hood. So there we got, she's pretty shiny here. We got
Wow.
got the paint, got everything done under here, and yeah, it's sweet.
Looking good. I really like that alien style intake on there. You got power brakes, power steering, Champion aluminum rad I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's the custom rad for the LS1 swap. We had the computer up in here. Got the harness system from Tony at Choice Auto.
yeah. Tony does great work.
Yeah.
It's buy local, and you know, if there's a problem, he'll come and help set it up. He said when we get the car, you know, it runs, but he said he'd come tune it and everything. So yeah,
Yeah, nice set of stainless headers. Those are nice
Oh, yeah.
big flanges on there. I like that.
yeah. It's
And relocated the alternator, I guess, as
yep,
well.
yep.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's power steering. Yeah, so
Power
it's,
steering, power brakes. It's got everything.
Yeah,
Power windows,
it's-
power locks, and there again, that color.
yeah, it's
The underside and the jams have been done.
it's an older car that's gonna drive like a new car.
Yeah.
That's sort of our thing. You know, we got, you know, new grill. Like it's gonna look sweet. We got to tuck this bumper in yet, like we did the back one.
Yeah.
So it's put on it today. You know, and we're gonna shave the bolts as well, but we just wanted to, you know, have it on to show kind of that's
Yeah.
what it's gonna look like.
I like the custom work here. You guys have come a long way and in a short amount of time.
Well, it's, you know, two guys, you know, mostly Randy, but I've touched every bolt on the car too. So it's great when you have a friend who you've had forever that knows his stuff.
Yeah. That's good to have a guy that can do everything, eh?
Oh, it's, yeah.
YouTube does wonders.
Yeah, yeah, oh yeah, anybody with YouTube and some tools can build a car.
Yeah, YouTube's handy.
Yeah.
So I have one request. Can we hear this thing?
Absolutely.
Yeah, fire her up, Randy.
This thing runs and it sounds amazing. Wow. That thing sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys picked that up in the video. I apologize for anybody that's wearing earbuds right now.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a fun car, and we're going to drive it lots.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
Very cool. Well, thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gord.
Yeah, thank you,
It
Gary.
was nice to
Yeah.
meet you. Nice to see your pretty car. Thank you, Randy, for having me over again. You made a lot of progress here. That thing sounds amazing. Looks great. Well, thanks very much, guys. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you again. Thank you.